Okay, we're here again. Couple math videos. First one we're going to do is going to be adding a 2-digit number plus another 2-digit number where we have to make a new 10. Got my buddy Champ over there as usual. Got my buddy
Wyatt.
and then there's some other creatures in the background as well. She's pretty good at math too. So, first we're going to look at a drawing. And all we're doing here is a place value drawing, looking at 28 as being 2 10s and 8 1s. Okay. And then we look at 44 as being 4 10s and 4 1s. So I'm going to do one, kind of talk about it, and ask Wyatt a couple questions, and then he's going to see if he can do one on his own. So as I'm looking here, and I'm putting together my ones first, 8 and 4 is going to be above 10, so I'm going to have a new 10. Looking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to circle 2 from here to get 9, 10. And as I circle that, doesn't really matter where it goes, but I'm going to make a new 10. Now the key to kind of keep in mind is once you circle these 10, you're making a trade for a 10. These guys are gone. I don't really like crossing them off because we still kind of want to see what we did. But that seems to be the one of the areas kids will get a little confused on. So at this point, because you've already drawn the 44 and the 28, you have your answer. I have 2 1s, and then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, which is 7 10s. 70 plus 2 is going to be 72. Now you might be thinking, can't I just say 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, 1, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7? Yeah, and we're going to get to there, but we want to first use the drawings because it really leans on place value. So, Wyatt, see if you can, when I back the cat away, solve 34 plus 57.
Alright.
Using the drawing.
Okay. So, I got 3 of these.
3 of what?
The 10s.
Okay. What are you drawing now?
The 1s.
How many ones do you have?
4.
Okay. Now what are you going to do?
Do 5 10s, and I'm going to do 7 1s.
Okay. As he's doing that, I'm going to talk briefly. One of the issues kids have when they're using their drawings is if the drawings aren't neat, kids will get confused because they'll miscount or they'll circle things they don't need to circle. So the drawings, if your drawings are fairly neat like Wyatt's are, it's a pretty easy way to solve these problems. So Wyatt, as we're looking at all those 1s over there, is it obvious that there's more than 10?
Yep.
Okay, so go ahead and see if you can circle 10.
Okay.
So there's a 10, and once you circle it, and this is a kind of a step kids will forget too, is don't forget the whole point of circling that is to trade and make a new
10.
So go do that. It really doesn't matter where you make it at. But what I'm going to suggest is
Cross it out.
you cross it out, but then draw an arrow to that new 10.
Okay, so it's right there.
Okay. Now just looking at what you have, how many 10, or you should probably go with ones first. How many ones do you have?
1.
So just write 1 down here. Plus. And then how many 10s do you have?
1, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, so it's 90.
Yeah, 9, which is going to be 90. And then 90 plus 1 is?
91.
Okay, and go ahead and write your answer right over there. And there you have it. Sorry if it's a little crooked, I'm trying to keep it straight there. But adding where you have to make it to 10 using drawings. Signing off, Wyatt Braun, Champ Braun, see Wyatt, and Mr. Braun. Good night.